In residential school, I learned to lie, lie or be beaten. I learned to steal, steal or go hungry. I learned how to be sneaky, to hide things to survive. Nancy Scanny had been visiting my parents when I came home with some of the artwork that I had been working with across the province. And as she was looking at the artwork, she said these words, and as soon as I heard them, I knew it was significant. So I went and grabbed tobacco and I asked her if she would make a brick that said that, and she said no, she wasn't interested in doing the artwork. The reason why I felt it so important to include these words was because it spoke directly to the fact that Indian residential school was more than just reading, writing, and arithmetic. It was socializing people. It was socializing people into poverty. So a lot of the values and the things that they took away from this experience were not things that they would have learned at home, because there wouldn't have been scarcity and there wouldn't have been need to do any of this just to survive. So they went from an abundant lifestyle to a poverty lifestyle, and they were socialized into it. And I thought that was a significant statement to be made.